3 things for glowing skin. First, lower cortisol. When cortisol levels are high, your skin can look dull and puffy. For example, how to lower it?
Be in bed before 11 p.m.
Take magnesium supplements. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight daily. Drink lavender or chamomile tea. When cortisol levels are balanced, your skin appears calmer, brighter, and more alive. And that natural glow comes back. 2. Nighttime eating. Finish eating at least 3 hours before sleep. Simple but very effective. Why? When your digestive system is working, your body can't fully rest, and the lymphatic system slows down. What does the lymphatic system do? At night, the lymphatic system helps detox your body. It removes toxins, reduces water retention, and decreases puffiness. Since it's most active at night, we shouldn't overload it. The real magic is in the third step. 3. Deep sleep. Light and insufficient sleep reduces your natural glow. Collagen production, skin repair, and cell regeneration all happen during deep sleep. How to improve deep sleep? Use dim lighting and eye mask, or blackout curtains are enough. Go to bed at the same time every night. Drink chamomile tea with a little honey. Apigenin helps promote sleep. Take a shower 90 minutes before bedtime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.